Woodworking can be a fun and rewarding hobby to pursue. If you're new to it, it's understandable to feel overwhelmed at first. But don't worry. In this video, we'll go over some tips and tricks to help get you started on your first woodworking project. Choosing the right project to start with is important. You want something that's not too difficult, but also not too boring. Look for something that interests you and that you'll be proud to display. A simple cutting board or a birdhouse are great options for beginners. Before you begin your project, make sure you have all the necessary tools and materials. A saw, drill, clamps, sandpaper, and wood glue are just a few things you'll need. As for materials, choose a type of wood that's appropriate for your project and fits your budget. Working with wood can be dangerous if you're not careful. Always wear protective gear like goggles and gloves, and make sure your work area is well lit and free of clutter. Take your time and be aware of your surroundings at all times. Accurate measurements are key to a successful woodworking project. Use a tape measure and a square to ensure your cuts are straight and precise. Double-check your measurements before cutting, and always cut just outside the line to avoid cutting too much. Once all the pieces are cut, it's time to assemble them. Use clamps and wood glue to hold everything together and allow time for the glue to dry. After that, use sandpaper to smooth out any rough edges and give your project a polished look. The final step is to add any finishing touches you want. This might include staining, painting, or applying a protective sealer. Make sure to let everything dry completely before using or displaying your finished project.